A training program gets initiated with the raising of a requisition by the concerned department for a particular training to the employees. For example, training on telesales to the call center agents or training on soft skills to the frontline employees. In the second step, the training department is to conduct a need assessment of the proposed training program, considering various factors, such as what is the goal of the organization, what tasks are required to achieve the goal, what skills are required to perform the task, what skills are missing in the resources. Are the resources ready to learn new skills? What is the better way to develop the skills? Training program or non-training program? Can the organization afford to arrange the program? How much the training program is going to cost to the organization? How much benefit the program is going to bring to the organization? Need assessment may be conducted in various ways. For example, focus group discussion, data analysis, direct observation, interviews, and research. In the third step, the training department is to set the objective of the training program based on 3 criteria. Specifying the skills those are to be developed. For example, communication over phone or operating a particular app. Specifying the change in behavior of the resources. For example, the call center agents will not sound sleepy while talking with the customers, or the resources will be more flexible in terms of using a particular app. Specifying the organizational outcome. For example, the sales of the organization will go up. Once the goal of the program is determined, the training team starts to find out the probable design of the program. In this step, several things are to be determined. For example, what type of training materials and equipments are going to be used, probable time duration of the program, group activities, tests, and quiz. After the completion of the program design, the training officials are to start developing training materials and contents. There are some crucial factors of content development. For example, relativity of the contents with the real-life scenario of the trainees. We will also have to make sure the contents are not conflicting to the previous experiences of the trainees. Training materials must facilitate the learning of the desired skills. The trainees must find the training content simple so that they can learn easily. Training contents should inspire the desired behavior of the trainees. After the development of training materials, the training department is ready to implement the training program. While implementing the training program, certain factors are to be ensured. For example, notifying the trainees at least 72 hours prior to the training program, sharing the objective of the training, encouraging the trainees to take some preparation, ensuring the availability of all the required training materials, and finally ensuring that all the required equipments are properly functional. After the implementation, every training program must be evaluated. There are several ways of program evaluation. For example, post-training quiz, evaluation by the trainees, tracking the behavioral changes of the trainees, and finally, measuring the business performance. Based on the results of evaluation, the plan of follow-up actions is developed. And with this, the cycle of a training program ends.